Good afternoon and welcome to this video on platinum futures. We're currently looking at the monthly time frame. Platinum has been in quite the uptrend this year. We're currently up 60% since April, and we're showing no signs at the moment of slowing down. So I've drawn some predetermined levels, which I'm going to share with you as to where I think the steam starts to run out of this rally. But at the same time, there are levels to the upside that we could still push on through to eventually. So I'm going to share all that with you. I've done it all already, so it doesn't take as much time to do the analysis, just to keep the video short. So I'm going to begin with these levels. So I've done a one-to-one extension, which comes in at $1,663. And then we also have a high volume node at $1,619 in the same vicinity. And of course, if you do just like look to the left again, and then take yourself to here, which is 2014, you can see just over those, these are monthly candles, those 2 months, how we shot through this area pretty quick to the downside, and the same here. So, at some point when we kind of break this high, which is which we've already tried to do once already, it probably won't take very long to be knocking on the $1,600 region. In addition to those levels, I also have a fib speed resistance fan pull from this high down to this low, which also aligns pretty nicely with the one-to-one extension and the high volume node that we have here. And also we have the GAN box, which is again from that high to this low. And you can see we're approaching, this red zone, if you like. So we're going to be expecting some resistance up at these levels. But until then, there's a little bit more room to go. So let's just have a look. So we have, perhaps, like 15% or 17, 18%. Also, if I just take this off just to keep things tidy, well, when we take a pull from this low, okay, which was from this year, this is from 3rd of February, and we take that up to this high, you can see how this 382 and the 425 align really nicely there. So we're definitely expecting some probably pretty heavy resistance at this level. But I do have at the top, so if we end up doing something like this coming up, and then you're going to get your retrace, and if we do retest and then take out this level to move up, we do have this target up here at the 1.618 at $2,100. So yeah, but that's a little bit ahead of time, but that just gives you some levels to potentially mark on the charts and be aware of. So that's it. That's just basically a very quick bit of analysis on platinum. First time I've actually looked at platinum, to be honest. I normally only look at gold, but just for a change, I thought I'd look at this of a precious metal. So if you have any questions, please leave them below the chart, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you have. Thanks for viewing, and safe trading.